Get selected subcommand with Argparse. When I use subcommands with Python Argparse, I can get the selected arguments. So args doesn't contain foo. Simply writing sys.argv1 doesn't work because of the possible global args. How can I get the subcommand itself?
The very bottom of the Python docs on Argparse subcommands explains how to do this. You can also use the set_defaults method referenced just above the example I found.
Argument parser.add_subparsers has dest formal argument described as dest, name of the attribute under which subcommand name will be stored. By default none and no value is stored. In the example below of a simple task function layout using subparsers, the selected subparser is in parser.parse_args.subparser.
Just wanted to post this answer as this came in very handy in some of my recent work. This method makes use of decorators, although not used with conventional @ syntax, and comes in especially handy if the recommended set_defaults is already being used with subparsers. The map_subparser_to_func function can be modified to set the subparser to some class attribute or global variable inside of the wrapper function instead of passing it directly, and can also be reworked to a conventional decorator for the functions, although that would require adding another layer. This way there is a direct reference to the object.
I have nested subparsers and wanted to get the selected subparser object so I can subparser.error.did on special cases where parse_known_args has invalid unknown args. I came up with this recursion to solve it. It might only cover my specific case of subparsers nested with subparsers with each of them using an explicit destination, but it has the advantage that it doesn't require using set_defaults and that it gets the actual subparser object, not just the name of it. Now I can do this to print the usage info of the selected subparser.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.